This is to all my YouTube people. This is Big Mad Poppy here. How you guys doing today? What you're about to see is me cutting my son Connor's hair. I got tired of looking at it the way it was. Connor does not like to do anything with his hair. That includes washing it. So I kept begging him to take a shower. He would not take a shower or go wash his hair or brush his hair or anything else. So I took it upon myself to shave his head bald. If you want more videos, like and subscribe. Connor, you're long overdue for a haircut. Oh man, you got all kinds of shit in there. Oh my god.
You're going to this thing too much.
Huh? I don't know.
Find them. Ow.
Man, it won't cut. It's so thick. Oh.
Because you're supposed to brush it
I
off.
need some scissors.
No, the fuck you don't. You're supposed to brush it out first.
I need a brush. I mean,
Lacey, you got a brush?
No, he ain't gonna use.
Supposed to comb it out with a comb.
I ain't got a comb.
You send it a brush.
No. It's cutting.
What is all that in your hair?
Bye bye hair. What you smiling for, Connor?
I'm about to cry.
You gonna show your girlfriend?
What?
You gonna show your girlfriend?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Yo, 16-year-old?
I still have no idea what you're talking about. No idea.
Niggas having that on and shoes.
You don't fucking stop recording.
Don't let me cook right.
What are you doing?
I'm cutting your hair.
So why do you want him to record it?
No, I'm just.
I can feel that you're not doing it how I told you to, you dickhead.
I'm doing the fade.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're supposed to go that low on the side, not on the top. The top is supposed to still be long. So you are. I hate you right now.
Huh?
I hate you.
Your hair grows back fast, don't it?
Yeah, it grows back pretty fast.
You grew that much in 3 months.
Yeah.
Normal person's hair grows centimeters in 3 months. So I hate you right now. I can feel
Why
it.
do you hate me? Lacey, now get me a comb.
Wait. You fucking dickhead!
He looks like Grandpa.
Get me a comb now.
I hate you.
He need a comb.
There's nothing left to comb because of you.
Or a brush.
Our brush.
At least the dog can't show on my hair anymore.
Yeah.
It's the only upside to this, you fucking. You're a bad person.
How am I a bad person?
You won't even let me have my own the way I wanted to cut it.
Huh?
You're a bad person.
When you start paying for it to go get your own haircut, and then you can
He
choose.
ain't paying for it.
But he's doing it.
Oh yeah, which I was the one thing I didn't want.
Takes time to do it.
There's nothing left to brush because of you.
We should leave his hair like that.
I am.
The fuck you're not.
I'm done.
I'm about to fucking shove that up your fucking
Go look in the
ass.
mirror.
Go look in the mirror and tell me what you think. No!
I'm gonna
Don't
shove that up your
Don't
ass.
tell me what you think. Go look in the mirror.
Stop. For real, stop.
Huh?
Stop.
What I gotta stop for? You needed a haircut.
Just go ahead and cut the
You're
rest off.
fucking funny.
Huh?
You're fucking funny.
Damn, Connor, you got you got rash all in your head, man. For real. That's really itch. Woo!
Ow! I'm not going to school.
Yeah, you are.
No, fuck, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Fuck that. Fuck you.
Why? It's just a haircut.
He cannot cut hair right. All he knows how to do is make somebody half bald. I take that back. 3/4 bald.
You know all that hair on the floor.
Yes, hair grows.
Lacey, you get to sweep the hair up.
You want me to take it all off?
I will beat your fucking ass.
Huh?
I will beat your ass.
How you gonna beat my ass?
I'm gonna take that thing, shove it up your ass, and turn it on.
Yeah. The Abbott Barbershop.
I see this on YouTube, I'm gonna fucking kill you. I see this on anything.
He only has like 40 subscribers right now.
40 people that I don't want.
And next thing you know, this video is the one that makes it blow up to like 1,000.
This one?
Yeah.
Look at all that hair.
I know.
Ow.
Hey, Lacey, beside my bed. No, in my bathroom.
If you grab anything for him, I'm fucking.
No,
beat
there's
your ass
another,
after he
like
eats.
a little small black trimmer. I'm gonna need that. On my
No,
sink.
that's the one that you use for your beard.
No, I mean, I use it for the back of my neck, too.
It's even worse. Neck beard ass.
My neck beard. What's
Yeah.
neck beard?
Your neck beard ass.
Are you going to me?
No. That was sarcasm, by the way. You can understand that.
Get it for me, Lacey. Shit.
What are you talking about?
It's a small trimmer on my sink in my bathroom.
You always not want food.
The stuff Connor's going through just to get on the video game.
No, this was mainly just to shut your dumb ass up.
It ain't shutting my ass up.
It better.
Oh, that dandruff, man.
I got a lot of that too. I don't know how to get rid of it.
Huh?
You can.
I done use Head and Shoulders
It's
and
genetic.
everything.
Yeah, that's it.
It's genetic.
Dandruff is not genetic.
Whenever you have a lot of it, yes.
Get this out.
Your genes can affect literally everything about you.
Hey, like and subscribe if you want to see
I'm gonna
Lacey
beat
get
your
a haircut.
ass.
No.
You better not go on YouTube.
I'm not how to cut hair good.
Stop lying to yourself. Fucking.
Alright, so we'll go this way. Connor, you starting to get acne. You know what acne is?
Yes, I'm not a fucking idiot.
Pimples.
Oh, yeah.
Does everybody get them though?
Huh?
Does everybody get pimples?
I had them real bad.
So did your daughter.
Huh?
So did your daughter.
Lacey did have them bad.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta put egg yolk on your face.
Egg yolk.
I
Yeah.
don't even think you could know if I had a face.
Huh?
But when I had that, I don't even think.
The Abbott Barbershop.
And I'm about to shove that thing up your ass.
Shoving it up my anus. I'll shit on you.
Now just make him do it.
Well, I ain't doing
Shit
nothing.
on
I'm
him.
gonna put a gun to your head.
What gun?
Like a gun.
Where's the gun at?
Somewhere.
Where's somewhere?
At the store.
Where's the store?
Where's the store?
How you go buy one?
With money.
You gotta be 18.
Fake IDs.
You know you don't look like no 18.
Except I got a girl cassette. I can feel it.
Look at all that I got.
Ow, 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 ow!
Tell Pam, man.
Ow, 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 ow,
Look at
ow,
that.
ow.
Places.
Ow.
Look at that.
He was sleeping, right? Ow. Ow! It's not even my hair anymore. There's no more to cut.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, so why don't you stop cutting that little bit I have left?
Well, if he stops now, it's gonna look bad.
Yeah.
Because half of the hair is shorter than the other.
Worse than it already does.
Well, Connor, the reason I'm doing it this way,
Because you're a dickhead.
you have something going on with your head for real. I'm gonna wash it for you.
No.
Yeah.
Not like in a shower, you can just put your head over the sink.
Yeah. Real bad.
I mean, the more you cut it, the faster it grows back.
Yeah, I know.
So there's no point in just keeping on cutting it because it's going to grow back faster.
Not done yet.
Fuck you.
Shave his eyebrows.
You shave your dick off. Make sure you ain't have another child.
Why did Abby go shave hers?
Because she's a retard. And she had a unibrow.
Oh.
Even though she could have just like shaved down
She
the
said her
middle.
eyebrows were bushy.
She had a unibrow. She could have just shaved down the middle.
You can barely see mine.
Yeah, they're very noticeable. Actually, do you have a unibrow?
Huh?
Do you have a unibrow?
I ain't got no hair right here.
It kind of looks like you do.
Oh well.
Because like, it looks like red hair in the middle.
What do you think your friends gonna say at school?
What?
What friends?
Yeah.
I thought you had friends at school.
Called sarcasm.
What do you think they gonna say to us?
I don't know.
What do you think your girlfriend's gonna say?
What girlfriend? Exactly. What girlfriend?
Mm-hmm. That Mexican one? Or whatever she is?
Nah, no idea what you're talking about.
I don't know her name. So
I have no idea who or what you're talking about. You know, maybe I'll know if you.
Is that Head and Shoulders in the bathroom in there, Brittany?
That shit don't
What?
work.
The Head and Shoulders.
That shit don't
I
work.
tried it. It don't work for me.
Well, it's gonna work.
Let me see that phone.
No.
Yes, I'm gonna delete it. I'm about to fucking delete it, bitch. You can stop recording now.
Mac and cheese.
I don't want no mac and cheese.
You can go in the fucking
You don't want
goddamn
mashed potatoes
stars.
either?
Huh?
You don't want mashed potatoes either?
No.
Just meat and the...
I want some mac and cheese.
We know you do. We know you do. Right back at you. With a reverse card.
Tell them about your girlfriend.
What?
Tell them about your girlfriend.
White girlfriend.
The one that's on your
No
Instagram.
speak no English. Konnichiwa.
I just show her Instagram.
Nah. What are you
Yeah.
talking about?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? I hate you, fucking dickhead. Why are you doing this?
Get all the dancers out.
You don't care about yourself.
Why?
At least you won't have to worry about him stinking no more because he ain't got no hair. I don't
Your
know.
logic is
Except for
really
his
dumb.
armpit hair. He might stink out right there.
Your logic right now is dumb.
Your hair won't stink because you ain't gonna have none.
He's got some hair, you just can't. His hair is so white.
You can barely see it. Hell, we should just bought that shit from the store and made him wash his hair with it, and just make all his hair fall out.
What, that there?
Yeah.
I would kill you.
Replace it with shampoo. We're gonna do that to Lacey.
How are you hanging on?
I'll do it in your plate.
I used to get my head shaved like that.
Come over here to the sink.
Why? I can just take a fucking shower.
No, just get over here.
Oh my fucking god. Stop recording, goddamn. Some people don't want their business all over the internet. I'm one of them.
Hang over your head.
Fucking god.
I got a towel somewhere to put my eyes. Towel goes. Just had it out there when home.
That was dog wet, dickhead.
Should be alright.
Hey, don't get the hair all over the food.
Alright, go take a shower now. You cook.